a 2013 427.
Which is baseline, I think our highest baseline ever.
Highest bone stock baseline.
I don't think it's bone stock.
It is bone stock.
It has a snap, crackle, and pop tune on it. There's no way that's stock. It is clean, I'll say that much.
472.
72? You're not going 469?
I gotta get
Well, then I guess I got to guess.
I gotta warm this thing up so it'll be.
What's your guess, Kyle?
3.
Okay. So far, I'm winning.
That'd be the highest.
Oh, no. So, Eric is winning. Sorry. I said 4.
Yeah.
Well, it sounds like it has a snapple, crackle, and pop tune in it.
The wide band in it.
The wide band? Oh. Somebody put it in the wrong hole?
I only put it in one hole.
So far.
Are we sure there's nothing done to this?
So Eric wins.
Nah, Kyle won.
Yeah, this one's just getting heads, cam, Veraram, and headers. So, simple, streamlined job. I don't have to mess with anything in the front here, so that would be nice. But even still, I mean, this thing,
It's clean.
this thing should end up making decent power anyway, considering its baseline.
The 427s come stock with carbon fiber hoods?
Yeah, it's got that hood that the Z01s have without the window.
ZR1, yes. And it has the flaps in the exhaust, like a ZR1 also. Z06s don't come with that flap, correct?
We do. Yeah,
Do
MPP.
they?
Yeah. I don't think I've seen a Z06 without MPP. Unless it's, yeah, I don't think I've seen a Z06 without MPP. Some Grand Sports have MPP. It's just smaller exhaust.
Matt, I personally like Grand Sports.
My Grand Sports are my favorite.
Besides the ZR1. I mean, ZR1 is my, obviously, favorite because I like to blow rods out the side.
Yeah, if I had to buy one, it'd probably be a Grand Sport.
Don't you know you're not supposed to open them when they're hot? Or is that just
How
my
much room
dad?
there is? Fine.
It's just my dad talking to me right there. Don't open a coolant reservoir when it's hot.
Yeah, do it slowly so it releases
Explode
the
all
pressure.
over you.
You ever had it happen to you?
No.
It sucks.
Because my dad has it drilled into my head not to do it.
Yeah, well, sometimes you just.
And you know, I drive.
Sometimes you have to.
I drive Volkswagens and piece of shit cars, or at least I used to. So I used to have to add coolant quite often.
Yeah, you're.
Coolant and oil every other day.
Yep. Let's change the filter.
Yeah.
No need for an oil change.
No need to change oil because
Changes itself.
literally it's self-changing. Well, we'll check back in with you after you get some stuff out and start putting some stuff back in.
It's good.
This is a 2013 427 convertible. This got heads and headers, so no cam in this. Full heads package, 2-inch American Racing headers, Veraram, and valve covers and coil relocation deal. So this thing baseline's pretty strong. I think it made like 492. On the baseline, how many miles are on this thing? 18,000 miles. This thing is super clean. Really nice. This thing should probably make 550 is my guess. We'll find out though. A 523 there. I don't have much timing in it though. I'm gonna throw some at it now. I only have like 18 degrees in it. I don't know if this thing will make 550 based off that, but it depends how much it picks up here. If it picks up like 15 here, maybe. But I don't see it doing that. picked up really good there. Made 561 and 503, which is killer. I don't know if it'll pick up much over that. Timing, I got like 20 degrees in it, which is about where it's gonna stay. 562, 513 there. It's pretty stout for no cam. Gonna make another pull, just straight back to back. Same thing, 562, a little less torque, 509 torque that time. All right, doing the last 2 pulls on this thing and done. Actually just adding a little fuel to that, but it made 562, 518, which is pretty killer. So I picked up like 70 horsepower, I think. I don't know what torque, I don't remember what it made torque stock, but heads, headers, Vert ram, tune, pretty stout. For people who don't want a cam, we've done a few of these packages, but for the people who don't want a cam, you can still pick up, you know, a bunch of horsepower. Generally 50 to 75 is what they'll pick up, and it'll still basically drive exactly like stock. So one more pull and then this thing's done.
So we got the new valence on here. We got the hangers for the exhaust in this morning.
Pretty simple.
Matt's got his reading glasses light on. Bill's wife got a full Corsa exhaust. Full catbacks. I apologize. Catbacks Corsa. Rachel's first mod on her Suburban.
Right. Yeah, I told you that's how it was. They look like that in the picture.
Can we take the plastic off?
Sick!
Once it's done.
That is gonna look fucking sick.
I like it.
Don't ever put with Rachel drinking.
Effing socket, you F.
I'm sorry for silently laughing.
Better than that.
You got that one on the right side?
Fuck, this one's missing the alignment hole or something. Okay, we can work with it.
Just cut that tab off.
No, I need the tab. There's the other holes missing.
You are cruising right now. I'm
I'm
like
fired
running
up.
to get out of your way. That Twix did you good. Huh? What happened to the flashlight you had on your head so you stopped putting that thing in your mouth? Number one, where did you find your flashlight at?
It was literally in front of my face. It always is. Push that on up. Oh yes, you gotta go up. Gotta go up now.
You're in a really good mood today. Why are you in such a good mood, Matt? Smells a little hot over here.
thing is gonna look.
Is that black chrome?
Yeah, matches all the black chrome on the.
Got the black chrome appearance package.
Would you look at that? Would you look at that?
HLEO, man. Sick. God, I still feel like this side down.